G'day guys, are you like me and have heaps of those ball pit balls, but you want to do something different than just have them in the ball pit? I've got 3 activities I want to share with you today. First one I'm calling the ball drop and pop. Basically what you'll need is PVC pipe as well as a PVC elbow. What I did is I connected them together, leant it up against the couch, and then we put the balls in and they popped out the other end. Sophie was so fascinated where the ball went. The next activity, we used a muffin tin to put the balls in and to chuck them out. I used this activity to work on counting, so I counted as the balls went in, as well as colours. I said the colour of the ball that she was putting in. Blue, green. Even Dave and I had fun trying to get the ball into the tin. Yay, well done. The last activity is colour sorting. You need 2 containers of different colours, or you can do what I did and just put some coloured paper in the container and then sort the pink ball from the blue ball. And Sophie had a real sense of accomplishment when she got the balls into the containers. Pink, this is blue. Blue goes in here. Well done. Very good, darling. Guys, let me know in the comments below which one was your favourite. What do you do with your ball pit balls? If you want to watch another at-home toddler activity video, here I've got 3 pom-pom activities. Alrighty guys, bye.